What is going on? Welcome back to another trade recap. Caught a beauty today. Let's go and let's get straight to it. This was a really good continuation model, A plus. As you could see, I was in drawdown a little bit, but that's why this good stop placement is here, or this good stop loss is here. It's really good placement because anything really in between this is just noise. I wasn't really worried about this at all because it was just such a beautiful A plus setup, and yeah, so I just let that run out. But let's go into the recap. All right, we'll start from 9:29, right before market open. So coming into the day, we have this 1 hour fair value gap, and we are just clearly trending lower from here. But at the same time, we're inside this 4 hour for fair value gap, and I wasn't sure whether or not we wanted to reverse or just keep going lower. But on ES, we had these lows really close, and this looks like just a sell model playing out. So I wanted to see the lows getting hit. So I was leaning more bearish, but also just wanted to let market open do its thing and tell me whether or not we were going to be bullish or bearish. So market open, we have a move lower. And then I was looking for a long from here with this 4 minute, but it really just didn't end up getting good closure and stuff. I saw a few people bang out these longs on I think the 30-second time frame, but just not really good conviction for me, if I'm being honest. So this did end up inversing, but my break even point for this trade would have been this 1 hour fair value gap. And before we got the close, we already got in there. So at this point, I'm just letting market do its thing a little bit more. And what happens? We get a resweep right here. So now I'm like, okay, that's beautiful. We're in this 1 hour fair value gap. We have a resweep of this high. And not only that, but we have this 1 hour intermediate high right here, which ES took, but NQ did not. So I'm like, okay, this is perfect. This is beautiful. So from here, I'm just looking for shorts. I'm looking for the highest time fair value gap to get ran through. So we didn't really have any, or no, not yet. I think I wanted to see more structure. Hold up. Okay. So I didn't enter here because I think, yeah, there's a 50-minute. I was looking for, I was looking at this. I was actually about to hit it, and then I checked the 15-minute time frame. I see we're inside this bullish gap, so I'm like, shit, I got to fade this and wait for a little bit more structure. So from this point, plays out a little bit more. We take this low, but we still leave this overall draw, which I wanted to be like the overall target. So this ends up being my target for the trade I actually took. And then we also have this 5-minute gap open up. So let's see. Yeah, that 5-minute gap opens up. So from here, I want to see it get tapped into and then an inverse out of a manipulation leg. And that is exactly what happened. So we already had all the structure we needed. We have this SMT, 1 hour fair value gap, this resweep and AMD model. We have all this accumulation, manipulate up and go down. So from here, we end up, so we tap into this, get nice rejection and inverse. I'm in right here, stop at the high, break even right here just to be extra safe, and take profit at this low. Get a nice little 1.24. Started out in drawdown. Honestly, it took a long time to just be able to watch this play out, because before I would close my share early and just be tripping about it being a drawdown. But now I'm able to just watch it and let it play out. Either hit a take profit, stop loss, break even. Any of those three, I'm good no matter what, because I know I'm following my rules. I know that I'm executing a good setup that I like. So we ended up getting probably another re-entry. Honestly, you could have re-entered on there. There's an SMT. So if you missed this, you probably could have entered right here off this, and then went break even here or here, either one. But yeah, we end up playing out beautifully. So that was nice. I think I had like, let's see, yeah, P&L 1700 across 4 accounts, and then yeah, it was like 430 on all the accounts. So 1700 on the day. Beautiful trade, A plus setup. You love to see it. And yeah, that is all I got today. So thank you for watching.